Right, this is the way to a small village which is way above the valley floor. So it's a zigzag road, only jeeps can go up that road, and then it goes straight across, and there are some trees up on the mountain, and that's where the village is. Every square foot of arable land is utilized by the local population. Okay, this is the land again. This is looking north on the land, and if I go towards east, there the boundary wall is there. That's our boundary wall, and then I'm turning towards east. The boundary wall goes along, that's the road along the boundary wall, and then this is plot 1, and then you've got the gate. The gate is standing next to the boundary wall. That's going to be 12 feet, and then turning towards south. That's the second plot with the hedge in between, but if you can see the land beyond the hedge, that's our land, and then towards the west so only the undeveloped land has the wall. The other bit which is developed, or most of it is developed, has no wall at the moment. And back to the north. So looking from another direction, this is east. The sun has risen from the east and then turning towards the south, and we've got the gate there. I'm nearly standing at the northern end of the plot, and then where these safada trees start, that little hut in the corner, that's our second plot, and as you can see, it's this plot is not developed, so it's full of these rocks. So what we aim to do is on the west side along the wall, about 50 feet, at about 50 feet from the northwestern corner, which is there, we're going to draw a line straight towards the eastern wall, and we're going to leave it about 100 feet wide. So, and then use the rocks on the land to backfill this area, which will be about 3 feet above the general ground level, and then bring in soil to fill this bit for the trees and cultivation. Right, there is no shortage of water here. So along this boundary wall, looking north, and this is the road, this is our boundary wall, and that's our plot. So you can probably hear the water running down. We've created a little channel for the water along the wall so it doesn't damage the wall or the road. but then going further down, it is just going, the channel has been made up to this point, which is the junction of our first and second floor, and from here it just flows freely on the road. So we're going to continue the channel up to the end of our road, of our plot, and then the area people, we're encouraging them to create a proper channel so the water doesn't go on, flow on the road. This is looking south.